How to create an account on Forex.com. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Forex.com? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create an account on Forex.com, open your browser and search for Forex.com website. After you enter the website, tap on Open Account option, which is located at the top right corner. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to the section. Now, select the account that you want to create. If you want to create demo account, scroll down and just simply tap on open a free demo account. Now fill in your personal details like your name, email, phone number and create a secure password. Next, enter your address, date of birth and employment and financial details. This helps them meet regulations. Then, after a few quick questions about your trading experience, upload your ID and address documents to verify your identity. Once submitted, the application will be reviewed and you'll be notified your account is approved. That's it guys, that's how you create an account on Forex.com. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.